As a USA-based natural gas pipeline company, much of our operations are subject to various local, state, and federal regulations. In our business, the major regulating entity is the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission, otherwise known as the FERC. One of the regulations we must comply with is the Standards of Conduct for Transmission Providers, which is described in what's known as FERC Order Number 717. And the purpose of this compliance training course is to comply with one of the Standards of Conduct's implementation requirements, which is annual training of transmission function employees, marketing function employees, officers, directors, supervisory employees, and any other employees likely to become privy to transmission function information, and training new employees within 30 days of employment. This training series includes 2 parts. In this first, Part 1, I will introduce some specific terminology that apply to the Standards of Conduct. Then, in Part 2, I'll cover the 5 key principles of the Standards of Conduct. There are 6 important terms that we'll define in this module. They are control, affiliate, transmission functions, transmission function employee, marketing function, and marketing function employee. Control. Control means the direct or indirect authority, whether acting alone or in conjunction with others, to direct or cause to direct the management policies of an entity. A voting interest of 10% or more creates a rebutable presumption of control. By the way, according to Wikipedia, a rebutable presumption is an assumption made by a court that is taken to be true unless someone comes forward to contest it and prove it otherwise. Affiliate. An affiliate is another person that controls, is controlled by, or is under common control with the specified entity. An affiliate includes a division of the specified entity that operates as a functional unit. Transmission functions. Transmission functions are the planning, directing, organizing, or carrying out of day-to-day transmission operations, including the granting and denying of transmission service requests. Transmission function employee. A transmission function employee is an employee, contractor, consultant, or agent of a transmission provider who actively and personally engages on a day-to-day basis in transmission functions. Marketing functions. Marketing functions are the sale for resale in interstate commerce or the submission of offers to sell in interstate commerce natural gas subject to some specific exclusions. Marketing function employee. A marketing function employee is an employee, contractor, consultant, or agent of a transmission provider or of an affiliate of a transmission provider who actively and personally engages on a day-to-day basis in marketing functions. There you have it, 6 words and terms that will come up in the second part of this Standards of Conduct Introduction and Review. To complete your Standards of Conduct compliance training, please move on to Part 2 of this program.